both of us, honey.
Okay.
And Stanley.
This how you do it? You guys just give out the presents like a mad crazy dash?
Yeah. If she were a little older, we would.
That's okay. Then send her to get the presents as you. Okay. Well, that's your job later, Anna.
Here,
Demasha, there's a bag for you.
you want to try to open that one?
You have to start it.
I don't. This one is from Aaron, Brian, Catherine, and Alex. Hey, you rip it.
Well, she's like, oh, I can get into this Christmas. I
Here,
like
this
this.
side. Good job. Okay. Yeah. That's so cool.
Is that fun?
Aww.
Oh, cool.
Cute.
Cute.
Adorable.
Little pants to go with it.
Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah, they have more paper to buy.
Hey.
Oh, isn't that
Oh my goodness.
yeah.
That is cute.
Very cute.
Very cute.
Adorable.
Hold that up and I'll get
12 to 18 months.
Oh, that's
Perfect size.
Cute, cute.
You like that?
I think that means she likes it.
Take that.
Yeah.
Is that cute? Very cute. Uh-huh.
Very sweet. Very thoughtful.
It was.
Perfect size, too.
Yeah. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Yeah. Okay, I'm happy for the day.
Yeah, right? Do you want to try a new one? Do you want to try this one? Can you set that one down? You can do this one now. This one is from Great Grandma.
Oh, there you got it.
I got it.
Good job. Good
Now
job.
you can wear it.
Okay, let's flip that over. Can you rip it?
Too much fun.
I think she's gonna like this Christmas thing.
Okay. This one? Yeah. Oh, cute! Look at this hat!
Oh,
That is
isn't that
so
Cute.
Do you like it?
She does.
Oh, there's ladybugs on it. Oh, how cute.
Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh, those are cute. Those are adorable. 12 to 18 months, perfect. And a teething ring. Yeah, very cool. Thank you. We'll hide that so she'll want to eat the box.
That hat is just adorable.
You can put it on when you get tired of the Santa hat. Do you want that? I'm sorry. I'm going to take that away from you.
You got my paper.
Yeah, you want any of them.
Honey, why don't you hand me the one that DiMaggio tried to open?